My dear friends, in this video, I am going to discuss the digest system of cuttlefish. The digest system is comprising of two areas. One is alimentary canal and another one is digestive gland. Let us take the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is comprising three parts. One is foregut, second one is midgut and hindgut. Let us take the foregut. Foregut is actually starts with buccal mass with odontophores. Then esophagus. These are the two parts. So this area is called your buccal mass, and this is esophagus. This is esophagus. So the buccal mass is actually buccal mass includes mouth. Mouth, you can see it is a round aperture. Mouth is a round aperture. Then in buccal cavity, so the buccal mass is includes mouth and buccal cavity. The buccal cavity bearing jaws. This jaws is looking like a uh, peak. The peak is just like parrot. It is used to breaking the feed. You can say in the mouth. You can see lips. Lips are there in the mouth, and it is extended as a esophagus. So buccal mass is consisting of mouth and buccal cavity. And next is midgut. Midgut is actually stomach is there, isn't it? Midgut is you have stomachs, and stomach is again divided into two parts. One is the first part is called gizzard, and second part is cecum. This is gizzard and cecum. Then coming to the hindgut. Hindgut is intestine. You have intestine. This is intestine, and also it is extended with the rectum and finally ends with the anus. So this is the different parts of alimentary canal. So foregut is having a buccal mass and esophagus. Midgut is actually stomach, and hindgut is intestine, rectum, and finally ends with anus. This is all about um, alimentary canal. Now coming to the glands. So the glands are used for digestion. You will have an salivary gland is there, which is anterior salivary gland and said to be posterior salivary gland. The anterior salivary gland is opens in buccal cavity, and you can see the posterior gland. So this is one of the digestive gland we call it, isn't it? Anterior salivary gland. Then there is we call it digestive gland. That is nothing but your liver. It is having left and right lobe, and it is opens in the esophagus. This actually opens with the esophagus. Then we coming to the pancreatic uh, pancreas open in the gizzard. So gizzard is here, isn't it? We have one more gland, that is pancreas. It is opening the gizzard, and so the pancreatic duct open in the junction of the stomach and intestine. So it is opening junction between um, stomach and intestine. Stomach and intestine is there, isn't it? Stomach and intestine here, and stomach is here. So here it is opens uh, pancreatic duct. And then there is a ink sac is there. Ink gland we call it. Ink gland is no digestive function, but it is present in intestine as well as it opens in rectum. Whenever the animal is disturbed by enemies, it will discharge a black color ink to divert the predators. So that is the different glands. So there is foregut, midgut, and highgut. Foregut consisting of buccal cavity. It includes mouth and esophagus. Then midgut consisting of stomach, which is divided into two. One is first part is called gizzard, and second part is called cecum. The hindgut includes intestine, rectum, and finally ends with anus. The digestive glands actually includes salivary gland, then liver, that is digestive gland, then pancreatic duct, finally ink sacs. This is about the digestive system of um, what you call cuttlefish.